Hello students, welcome to your science class. This is Neeru Goyal, your science teacher. Today we are going to start with a new lesson, lesson 11, our solar system. We all live on planet Earth. Our Earth is one of the 8 known planets. You all know, you are very well aware that there are 8 planets in the universe. So we are living on which planet? Earth. And is a member of large family in space. The sun is the most important member of this family. Which is the most important member of the family? Sun, on which all the life on the earth is dependent. This family of sun and 8 planets constitutes the solar system. So the family of sun and 8 planets is solar system. Today we are going to cover the topic the sun. The sun is the central part of the solar system. It is present in the center and the 8 planets are revolving around it. It is a huge sphere of very hot gases. It is made up of hot gases and it is a ball-like structure. So it is also called ball of fire. It produces light of its own. इसकी अपनी light है. So it is called the luminous body. It is very large and massive as compared to all planets. From all the planets that are revolving around the sun, the sun is the largest one. It is very massive. Now the sun appears to be small. When we look at the sun, it appears to be smaller than the earth or the planet. Why? This is due to its very large distance from the earth, because the sun is very far away from the earth, so it is appearing to be small. Now the sun is the source of huge energy. It gives out energy in the form of heat and light. We call the energy received from the sun as solar energy. The sun is producing the energy. It is a source of energy on earth and it is producing the energy in the form of heat and light. And the energy which we are getting in the form of heat and light is called the solar energy. The earth receives almost all of its energy from the sun. अर्थ को अपनी सारी एनर्जी कहाँ से मिलती है? फ्रॉम द सन. द सन इज एसेंशियल फॉर द ग्रोथ एंड मेंटेनेंस ऑफ ऑल फॉर्म्स ऑफ लाइफ ऑन अर्थ. Any type of life on the earth, whether plants or animals, it is dependent on the sun. It is very essential for growth. All living beings, whether plants or animals, depend on the sun for their food. Living beings, they are depending on the sun for their food. Now how? The plants, you all have learned in lesson 2 plants that plants make up their food in the presence of sunlight by the process of photosynthesis. All animals get their food directly or indirectly from plants. Now how directly the animals get? The herbivore animals, they are directly eating the plants. So they are getting their food from plants directly. Indirectly, the carnivore animals, they eat the herbivore animals. So they are indirectly dependent on plants. We use solar energy in many ways. Now the uses of solar energy. Solar cookers and solar geysers are used for solar cooker and solar geyser. Solar cooker is used for cooking the food and solar geyser is used for getting hot water in our homes. We have also solar cells that work through solar energy. Now there are cells, you all know, that you are using in your batteries, in your torch, etc. So there are solar cells also which get charged by the solar energy. These are used in devices like calculators and wristwatches. They are also used in man-made satellites. Man-made satellites में भी solar cells use होते हैं, and the space vehicles also, vehicles which are sent in the space. They also provide electricity in many remote areas. By using the solar cells, we can produce the electricity and which can be used in the remote areas where the electricity cannot be sent. It is not possible to send the electricity at such areas. Thank you. Have a nice day.